Turkish police have arrested the mayor of Istanbul, a key rival of President Recep Tayyip Erdogan. The arrest is over alleged corruption and terror links officially. Turkish authorities ordered the detention of about 100 other people as well, including journalists and businessmen, and they restricted access to multiple social media platforms as well this Wednesday. Protests have also been prohibited for the next 4 days there. Well, that mayor was expected to be a candidate for future presidential polls. Quick look at some business news now. Asian markets mixed today due to tariff fears and upcoming decision by the US Fed on interest rates. To find out a bit more about that, we can speak to Jameel Ahmad of GTC. Jameel, investors nervous as the US Fed gets ready to make a very important decision?
Yes, they are somewhat nervous. That's because they don't know what they're going to hear from the Fed. We have a world economy that is now an abundance of uncertainty, whether it's trade tariffs, geopolitical tensions. Global economic outlook for 2025 is not looking too great, given all the tariffs. The only certainty that we have is that the US Federal Reserve will not be cutting US interest rates today, nor will they be raising interest rates. Everybody's expecting to put their house on the market that there will be no change from the Fed at all. But what we're looking for is what tone the US Central Bank give. Are they going to make any changes to the economic projections for 2025? Because, of course, you've got all of these sudden emergence of recession fears for the United States economy just based on the tariffs. So are the Fed also going to start revising lower their economic outlook? At the moment, we're not really paying that much attention to the data because we need some time to see what impact the tariffs are having on the US economy and so forth. And we're probably another 2 to 3 months from this. But where the Fed might be able to provide some sort of substance is if they are actually looking at revising their outlooks lower, that would show that the Fed is concerned about the ongoing tariff uncertainty.
Jameel Ahmad, Chief Analyst at GTC, thanks very much for that. Well, now it's time to turn our attention to the internet.